have another Stitch Fix unboxing for you guys. If you don't know about Stitch Fix, it is a styling service. It's a $20 fee. I have the styling pass. If you click on my link below, you'll get $25 towards your first fix. So I think that's awesome. Click on that and you can get your first fix, get $25 towards your first fix. And I think that's an awesome deal. In the box, you get 5 items, your price sheet, your style card, and your return mailer. If you want to learn a little bit more, I'll put some information down below. Like I said, click on that link. So this is my, let's see what fix we're on here. 56 fix. Okay, wow. And it looks like I have a new stylist, so I'm going to read my stylist card. Since I do have a new stylist, it looks like Brianna is not my stylist anymore, so I'm not sure what happened there. Hi, Kristen. Happy Fix Day. I had a great time going through your profile and choosing these items, amazing pieces for you. I know you mentioned wanting more younger styles in this fix, so I started with sending you these Just USA denim shorts that have some distressing that I know you will like. Wear them with the Z Supply striped knit black slide for a casual look. They missed the word. It says this black Z Supply striped knit top and black slide sandals for a cool casual look. You can also casually half tuck this Collective Concepts halter blouse into those denim shorts for extra style points. It'll add a bit of extra shape too. I also thought these Stylist mustard colored skirt would be fun paired with a tank or a t-shirt tucked. I hope you have fun trying everything on and look forward to your feedback. Be sure to let me know what you like these pieces if you're looking for anything special in your next fix. XO Chelsea. So here's my style card. So I have the prices here. We'll go over them at the end. And what I'll do on my try on, after I try the items on, you'll see the pictures on this side or this side. I'm not sure which one it is. And if you want those pieces, you can ask the stylist because it'll have the description and the pricing. And then at the end of the fix, I'll go over what I'm deciding to keep, if anything. So let's get into the bundle. Here it is. It came in a smaller box. Looks like some wide variety of colors. So the first item she talked about were these shorts, and they are Just USA. They said there was some distressing, but I don't see any distressing on them. And they kind of don't, they're not the same shorts that are in the picture. So I think these are wrong. Okay, so in the picture, if you see here, these have button fly. These do not. So I'm not sure what happened there. They're not the same shorts, but they're tagged. The Just USA Graceland distressed denim short. These are not distressed at all. So I'm a little confused. I don't see any distressing on these. So I'm not sure if they sent me the wrong item. So I'll have to contact them if I decide to keep them. Or maybe they can send them to me in the next fix. The next item is, I was excited for those shorts actually. This skirt, I do like mustard and it looks like a high-low and there's some flowers on it. So that's pretty. We'll see how I like this. This is the Stylist Golda Faux Wrap Midi skirt and mustard in a size extra small. And it looks like it has a waistband that's stressed, you could stretch, so that's super soft. So we'll see. Darn, I'm really bummed about them shorts because I like the button fly. So we'll see if they have them and they can send them to me in the next fix. Next is this top. It has a tie in the front. It's super soft. It's white and blue striped. And this is the Beach Lunch Lounge Nesper tie front button down top in white, size extra small. So this is cute. We'll see what that looks like with those shorts. And then we have this black tank, black and white tank. Oh, this is Z Supply. I love Z Supply stuff. So this is just a plain tank. That'll go cute with the shorts, high-low. Yeah, so we'll see. That's nice. And this is the Z Supply Derrick Scoop Neck Knit Top in black. So it's like black and white stripes. Very pretty. So we'll see. And then last but not least is this top. It's cute. It's okay. I'm not crazy about the print. I'll bring it a little bit closer for you guys. You can see. So this is the Collective Concepts Carissa keyhole halter blouse in red, size extra small. So it is red. It looks like orange to me too. But yeah, I mean, that's nice. We'll try it on with the shorts. So what I'm going to do is try everything on for you guys, come back and let you know my final thoughts. Okay guys, so first I have the shorts. Kind of bummed that they're not the ones in the picture. I'm going to let them know. They're too long in here. The ones in the picture look a little bit shorter and they look more of like a high-low. These fit really nice. They're just a little bit big in the back. But yeah, I mean, they're cute. I mean, they're stretchy and nice and they fit perfectly. But like I said, I don't like the inseam this long. So the ones in the picture are a little bit better. So I'm going to let Stitch Fix know that they're not the ones in the picture that they had sent me. Okay, next is this top. As you can see, it's really nice, kind of a high-low. It goes up and down here. It fits really nicely in the top. It's really stretchy. Like I said, it fits really nice. It's super soft. This is probably one of my favorite pieces that I saw in the Fix because this is stuff that I wear all the time. This is definitely more of like a staple piece that I would wear. Yeah, let me know your guys' opinion and what you think about these items. I'm open to anything because I might see something or you might see something. But like I said, the shorts are not the ones that are pictured in the picture that they had sent me. So I'm kind of bummed. Okay, next is this top. I like it. It's cute. It's not like super impressive. Here is the neck, and then there's a pocket. It's kind of a little bit see-through. Then you have the tie front here, and then it fits okay in the back, not like super crazy. I mean, it's okay. I'm not like fully impressed by it. This is not something that I would go for or grab in my closet if I did have it in there. So it's really kind of not my style. Okay, so next is this top. The colors are really pretty. Just the neckline is a little bit different. You would have to wear this with a strapless bra. I have my straps crisscrossed in the back and it works in the back, but not here. So I'm not impressed with that. And here there is I like this keyhole thing here, but otherwise it's like super huge. Like it's very bulky in the front. I'm just not liking this at all. I mean, the colors are pretty. I'll let you get up close so you can see the pattern. I like the pattern a little bit, but I just don't like the style. If it was more straight, I think it would look a lot better. Let me know your guys' opinion. Okay, so I know this shirt doesn't really go with this skirt, but unfortunately this is just not me. I don't like this at all. It like comes apart. I don't even know where the side is or the front. There's a zipper here. I'm not feeling it. I guess there's a tie here too. Yeah, this is a no. Well, I like more solid colors than this. This is just not me at all. So I'm definitely gonna pass on this, unfortunately. Okay guys, so I'm back. Let's go over the items and the pricing and if I decided to keep anything. I think she gave it a good shot, but unfortunately this box did not hit my style. Like I said, if I would have received these shorts, they had buttons, I definitely probably would keep these. But let's go over the items first and pricing. So this skirt here, this is the, what is the brand on this? Stylist mustard skirt, $58. This is definitely not my style. I'm not a big floral fan at all. So let them know with that. Next we have is this top. This wasn't bad. I just didn't like how flowy it was at the bottom. Unfortunately, this is the Collective Concepts top. This was $54. I just think that was a little bit pricey. The shorts, they were not the correct ones in the picture. They fit okay. They were a little bit long. These are Just USA, $44. Unfortunately, I'm not going to keep these because I was looking forward to the ones in the picture and they are not it. Next is the Beach Lunch Lounge top, the tie front tank. That was $54. I'm going to pass on that because it's not my style. Next is the Z Supply tank. This was the cheapest item in the box and my favorite item, but unfortunately it was $34 and I'm going to send it back. The total for the box is $244. Buy all 5 discount, $61. It came to $183. Not bad. She did a very good job, but I'm not going to be keeping anything in this box, unfortunately. I'm going to be sending it all back. I'm not sure if I'm going to ask for a new stylist. I'm not sure what happened to Brianna. But yeah, so unfortunately, I didn't keep anything. If you're new here, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I do all kinds of unboxings, and thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.